Hello there, this is Fred Marola for Freddie Marola, giving YouTube a message about some kitties. Very nice kitties, very friendly kitties. They're very friendly here at Kittyland in Palm Springs, California at PetSmart on Lamone Road. This cat is very friendly. She likes to play, likes to likes to cover up. She's very friendly. There's another one, Tortoise cat. I like to really play with kitties. I like to play with toys and stay busy and active and keep people entertained, which is good. Keep you entertained, laughing, and so forth. And these cats really like to play. So, just hope you'll have a fantastic, great day. And these kitties really like to play. So this is a Freddie Marola saying, have an absolutely fantastic, great day. Jesus loves you.